Welcome to Life in My Greenhouse. Today, we are making an easy, delicious Make-Ahead Breakfast Casserole recipe that will make your mornings a breeze. You can assemble the ingredients the night before and bake it the next morning. To make this recipe, you will need onions and bell peppers of all colors, eggs, milk, and spices. We'll add ground meats, shredded cheddar cheese, and Monterey Jack. We'll save some time by using tater tots for the base. Let's dive right in. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of oil to a frying pan. Add onions and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Add fresh or dry thyme. Add your ground meat into the pan. Feel free to add any meat of your choice. I'm using ground sausage. Next, season your meat with a little seasoned salt. Let the meat completely cook and add your bell peppers into the pan. Cook for a couple of minutes and then set aside. As an optional crunchy topping, cook 4 slices of bacon. Drain the bacon on a paper towel and cut into small pieces. Add 4 eggs into a bowl, along with 2 cups of milk. Now let's add our spices. Add a half teaspoon of salt. A half teaspoon of onion powder, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of white pepper, a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a tablespoon of ranch-style powdered seasoning. You can also add cayenne pepper for heat. Whisk until fully combined. Grease a 9x13 baking dish and lay tater tots flat on the bottom. Add ground meat mixture evenly on top. Go ahead, smash the like button if you like what you see. Now add about 1 cup of grated cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. Having fresh herbs on hand always brings life to any meal. I'm adding parsley, green onions, and rosemary. Pour your egg and milk mixture evenly over the top of your casserole. Now add fresh herbs and chopped bacon. Gathering with loved ones and friends is a quintessential part of our existence, isn't it? An opportunity to tell our beloved how we feel, to reflect on years past, and look forward to creating memories in the future. I hope this Make-Ahead casserole will free up some time so you can spend it with the ones you love. After all, isn't that what life is all about? At last, the prep for your casserole is now complete. You have the option to bake it tonight or place it in the refrigerator overnight and bake it in the morning. If you choose to bake it the same day, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you decide to bake it the next day, place in a refrigerator overnight until you're ready. When you're ready to bake, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Remove the foil, then bake for an additional 30 minutes. Your cheese will be melted around the edges and your casserole a beautiful golden color. I know it's going to be extremely tempting, but don't cut into it right away. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for the casserole to cool down. Your delicious breakfast casserole will be a crowd pleaser for sure. And there you have it, Greenhouse family. We hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we do. Can you do me a favor? Can you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty ideas? As a thank you in advance, I've included a recipe card for you. Thanks for watching, my beloved, and remember, the grass is greener where you water it. See you next time.